Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on board a brand new Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. Guys, we have this here in Sarasota, and if you thought you knew Dauntlesses, this boat will prove you wrong. This is completely factory option from front to rear. Let me show some of it off. You have a 10-foot white power pull blade. Why? Well, obviously to match your motor. You've got a 250 V8 with great hydraulic steering out of Mercury. Now you'll see this deck, tip of the eye to our fishermen's, with a lid over top of the ladder, and seriously fantastic seating. These are extremely solid. Even the tops are finished, but these seats are very high back, very comfortable. There are multiple helm seat options. In my opinion, this is the best. Why? Because it combines a very robust live well with a very, very robust helm seat with bolsters and armrests that pretty much makes everyone comfortable. I truly love this seat. If you're looking at it and thinking, hey, that's a little high, it's so that when you're running standing up, it's very comfortable, and there's a footrest down here below the dash for when you're sitting down. Great place to go. The helm, obviously premium treatment, acrylic, 12-inch Simrad, JL audio, Simrad VHF, digital controls from Mercury. This boat has trim tabs with the indicator, your hydraulic steering. It even has, guys, inductive charging in the dash, with kind of the C-deck mat on the dash has been recessed out so that sticks. It's awesome. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention over our head, guys, fiberglass hardtop with phenomenal powder coating. Boston Whaler does this very, very, very well. If you want to follow me to the bow, this is why I say, if you thought you knew Dauntlesses, you don't. In a 22-foot boat, to have a lounger this big is just remarkable. You still have cushions forward. You still have that split drawer, so you've got a fish box here, an anchor well forward. It's already rigged for your trolling motor. It's got cup holders. It's got rod holders forward. Guys, this boat is amazing for folks that are trying to do everything all over Florida and a lot more regions too. I'm Jeremiah. We're in Sarasota, Florida at MarineMax, and this is one of our 220 Dauntlesses, brand spanking new. If you guys want an opportunity to boat in our beautiful water and do it on a really good option, it's this boat. Give us a shout, we'll put you on it.